Hi guys and welcome back to another Dafty in the Garden video with me, Sean. This week we're in the kitchen again because we're going to be looking at some recipes we found online to try them out ourselves to see if we like them or not. And this week we're going to be cooking with beet greens or beetroot greens, so I'll leave the recipe below. Check it out if you think you fancy that. I think this looks quite nice, so I'm going to give it a try. Let's just get on with it. That's good. That's beautiful. So that's the end of this week's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner. Bye for now. Bye. Bye 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 bye.
Thank you for watching. And here's a random video. Make sure you watch another one or subscribe.